Another method to calculate IRR is to use Excel method. Let's see how it works in practice. So we have here the case study 4 regarding the house investment. An investor buys a house for $350,000 and gives it up for rent. So this is investment for you. You will not live there. The investor rents the house for $16,000 per year, and at the end of the third year, the investor decides to sell the house for $450,000, more than what you bought. The price is increased on the market. So what is then your IRR, your internal rate of return of such investment by buying this house? So you have here in the red your investment minus 350, and then you have positive cash flows. Here the renting 16,000 first year, 16,000 second year, and the last year not only 16 but also the cash flow resulting from the selling of the house 450, altogether 466,000. If you calculate the IRR, you put all together in a formula, minus investing minus 350 plus your cash flow 1616, 466,000, and you discount it with 1 plus IRR to the power of 1, 2, and 3, and you will obtain an IRR here of 12.96%. So your return here is 12.96%. So you can also do it here in a table where you add different inputs in different cells in Excel. Minus 350 for investment, it's 0 today, now for the first year 16, and 466,000 in the year 3. So in the cell B7, insert function IRR formula, you select your cash flows, even the investment. Do not forget always to select the investment from the B3 minus 350,000 to the B6 466,000, and you will have in B7 IRR of 12.96%, the same one as you have obtained using the formula. Is it good? Okay, you can compare it also with some other investment and see if it's good or no, or you could get something more in on some other investments of the same or similar risk.